How to buy Bitcoin with $50. Step-by-step guide for beginners. Are you interested in buying Bitcoin but feel intimidated or unsure where to start? Don't worry. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin with as little as $50. Whether you're exploring crypto for the first time or just looking for a simple step-by-step process, this video will help you confidently purchase your first Bitcoin investment. Why Bitcoin is a great start for beginners. Bitcoin is the most popular and widely trusted cryptocurrency. Learn why it's a great first step into the world of crypto and how owning even a small fraction can be a smart move. Choosing a trusted platform to buy Bitcoin. We'll guide you through selecting a secure and beginner-friendly platform to buy Bitcoin. Whether you use a crypto exchange or broker, we'll highlight the factors to consider, including fees, security, and ease of use. Setting up your account and wallet. We'll show you how to create an account, complete KYC verification, and secure your funds with a reliable wallet, hot or cold storage options explained. Making your first purchase with $50. Learn how to deposit funds, place a buy order, and own your first portion of Bitcoin step by step, even with a small budget. Tips for managing your Bitcoin investment. Owning Bitcoin is just the beginning. Get tips on how to monitor your investment, transfer funds securely, and plan for long-term growth. The question is, ready to buy your first Bitcoin? The first step is to open an account with a reliable and secure broker or exchange that supports small investments. Use the link in the description or pinned comment to sign up with a top-rated platform today. Trusted brokers provide competitive fees, fast transactions, and excellent customer support to make your first crypto experience smooth and safe. If you found this video helpful, here's how you can support the channel. Checkmark like this video to show your appreciation. Checkmark subscribe for more beginner-friendly guides, crypto tips, and investment strategies. Checkmark share this video with friends who are interested in starting their crypto journey. The question is, got questions about buying Bitcoin or need additional help? Drop a comment below. I'll be happy to assist and share more insights. Let's build a community of smart, confident investors who grow and learn together. Don't wait. Start your Bitcoin journey today. Use the link below to open an account with a trusted broker and buy your first Bitcoin with just $50. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay informed, start small, and invest wisely.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.